Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily. One sunny day, Lily decided to visit her grandma's house. She packed a small bag with her favorite toys and snacks, then set off on her adventure. Lily skipped down the path, feeling excited. She loved visiting Grandma because Grandma always had fun games to play and delicious treats to eat. When Lily arrived at Grandma's house, she rang the doorbell. Ding dong. Grandma opened the door with a big smile. "Hello, my dear Lily. Come on in," Grandma said warmly. Inside, the house was cozy and filled with the smell of freshly baked cookies. "Would you like to help me bake some cookies?" Grandma asked. Lily's eyes lit up with joy. "Yes, please," she exclaimed. Grandma handed Lily an apron, and they began to mix the ingredients for chocolate chip cookies. Lily carefully poured flour into the bowl while Grandma cracked eggs. As they waited for the cookies to bake, Grandma and Lily played a game of cards. Lily giggled as Grandma tried to do a silly dance whenever she won a round. Finally, the timer beeped, signaling that the cookies were ready. Grandma took out a tray of golden brown cookies from the oven. "They look delicious," Lily exclaimed. Grandma placed a plate of cookies on the table, and they sat down to enjoy them with a glass of milk. The cookies were warm and gooey, just the way Lily liked them. After their snack, Grandma showed Lily her collection of old photographs. They laughed at pictures of Grandma when she was a little girl, wearing funny hats and making silly faces. As the afternoon passed, Lily and Grandma played hide-and-seek in the garden. They chased butterflies and listened to the birds chirping in the trees. When it was time to go home, Lily hugged Grandma tightly. "Thank you for a wonderful day, Grandma," she said. "You're always welcome, my dear," Grandma replied, giving Lily a kiss on the cheek. With a happy heart, Lily skipped back home, already looking forward to her next visit to Grandma's house. The end.